and welcome to Ask MBA. In this video, we will discuss what are the important topics that you have to focus while preparing for your CAT examination, and also we will discuss about the points that you may drop while preparing for your CAT. Now again I am saying these are the topics that you can drop while preparation, but these are also important as far as your CAT exam is concerned. But again, this is completely depends upon the number of questions that you get in your examination. Let's talk about one by one section. First, Quants. We have 22 questions for 40 minutes. Now these are the topics which are highly important according to me for your CAT examination. For example, algebra, you might have seen at least one question in your previous mocks which you are attempting from the past 6 months. Again, percentage, which is principal concept for all this concept, you have to do this. Again, profit and loss, so this is again one of the most important concept. You might have seen at least 1 or 2 questions based on this profit and loss. So whatever topics I am talking about, you are not going to get a question from percentage. This concept of percentage will be used in all of this concept. So don't expect that you will be getting percentage questions and profit and loss questions. Entire topics will be mixed up, and using this 3 to 4 concept, you will be getting one question to solve, right? So this is the pattern that CAT follows. Alright, now again we have interest and average. Under this simple interest, compound interest, you might have seen and studied for the 6 months. I'm not talking about how to study this concept. All I am saying is what are the topics that now you need to focus on. So we have time, speed, distance. Again, you might have seen at least 2 questions in every mock based on this concept. Then logarithm question. Now as in my previous video I have told you, you might have dropped this topic in your preparation, but as I have discussed in my last video, this is the topic from which you will get at least one question. So as I told you, logarithm is the topic which will be difficult by looking at the question, but very easy while solving. So better go for it, study the concept behind it. I have already discussed all the concept of logarithm in my previous video. Please go and watch that video, so you will get idea about how to solve problem based on logarithm. Then we have mixture alligation, one of the easiest concept, but might be difficult while solving problems in CAT examination. So better go and understand each and every concept whichever is given in the mixture alligation. Alright. Then we have mensuration. Mensuration, again you will get 3D questions, how to cut, how to form, all that type of questions. Again I have made one video on mensuration also. Please go and watch that video, so you will get idea how to solve, how to tackle while approaching mensuration problem. Next is set theory. You might have dropped this topic also, but according to me this is also going to be your important question, because you will be getting at least one question based on your Venn diagram. You might have seen this kind of concept which you are solving in your examination, in your mock test. So again, set theory is going to be one of the most important concept, so please do not just undermine it. Concept clear करो, अच्छे से उसका practice करो, आपका questions उसमें निकल जाएगा. Now the next topic is DI and LR. Now this is the area where you will have to put your maximum efforts as compared to these topics. These topics are the topics which you have studied, and you can apply some formulas and some concepts to solve these kind of questions. But in terms of DI and LR, you will have to use your logic as well. You will have to know all the concepts while solving these type of questions. So I would recommend you to go through your previous year's CAT examination questions to find out such DI and try to solve, try to understand the types of questions they are asking in the question. Alright. And the logical reasoning, you will be getting at least 2 to 3 sets from logical reasoning, which will be based on your certain numerical data or verdict data, from which you will have to extract the exact data and to answer the given questions from this LR section. So again I am saying DI and LR is one of the most important sections as compared to all your section, which is also scoreable if you studied well. Now let's talk about the topics that you may skip while preparing for your CAT exam. First is geometry, then coordinate geometry, probability, PNC, permutations and combinations, trigonometry. Now you might have studied and solved various type of questions, number of questions from the topic, but I would suggest you, if you are not good at solving this topic, just skip all the topics and try to focus on these topics only, because hardly you are going to get 22 questions and your target is to solve at least 12 questions out of 22. So better to focus on what the stronger points are rather than wasting your time solving these topics. Again guys, I am requesting you, please focus on these topics Please don't focus on these topics, as you are going to get at least minimum number of questions from these topics. So better not to waste your time. Just put that time to maximize the score in this area, which are highly important for your CAT exam. The last point that I want to share with you guys, while preparing for your mock examination, how to increase your mock score, right? That is one of the most important question that you will be having. So I'm trying to put a possible solution for that question. So just try to focus on this parameter. I have tried to illustrate with the help of this diagram. For example, syllabus is this thing that you will have to cover. Don't worry about the remaining part. This is the part which is not being covered. So don't worry about it, which we generally think about, right? So don't worry about whatever syllabus is left out. Just focus on what you have done. Practice the number of questions from each section. Then go for your mocks, analyze it, and go for your next mock. So don't go for your next mock before analyzing. This is I am saying number of times. You need to analyze your given previous mocks before going to your second mock. Alright, please focus on this topic, whatever points I have covered in this video, and go for your next mock. Definitely you are going to see a good change in your next upcoming mock score. I hope this video will help you to enhance your study and increase your mock score. So please prepare for your upcoming CAT examination, which you will have hardly 15 to 18 days. Alright, so please study and increase your mock score while preparing. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you.